Good day and welcome to our unboxing and review of the Linkdream DM19 microphone. We are going to compare that to two other mics that are cheap, cheap, cheap. The first is what you're listening to right now. That's the microphone that's built into the Samsung S22. And this is not tweaked and configured in any way. This is just what you're listening to right now. We're also going to compare it to what I'm trying to replace, which is the two integrated microphones in my brand new HP 27CA1000 series, but the mics do not sound great. All right, let's get to it. This is one that I bought from Amazon. The Linkdream DM19 is, well, it was about a $35 microphone. It's now available for about $20 Canadian. And I bought this one, as you can see with all the stickers, from Amazon as a return, and I paid a big $8 for it. Let's get to this DB19 and see if the world's cheapest microphone is better than my integrated microphone. There it is. It's got a ring for mounting. It's got a tripod and it has a foam head. So let's go through this and do the quick review. I don't want to waste your time on the unboxing. That's not that interesting. But this does have a pretty good base. What you're looking for in a base is something with rubber feet. These are okay, but not great. And the reason why you want rubber feet is because you don't want vibrations. And rubber feet will help isolate that. USB cord, standard, old printer connection, and that goes in there. So let's just connect this. We'll do the setup first. Pop that on. In case you're wondering why this is separate, it's because you can put this on a boom arm mount or something if you want. But I'm just going to put it here. This is actually a lot heavier than I would have thought, by the way. This is, this is actually pretty substantive. Now, the only control on this is what's labeled volume. It's a boost. And the only output that you see is a little light. Okay, let's get this thing going. Plug that in. And now I'm going to take USB cable and plug it into the back of my computer. Okay, so let's bring up the sound settings. And for those of you who watched the previous video, which I'll put a link to in the top right hand corner, you'll know that I went in here and tweaked the heck out of this. Microphone array at 60 and the boost at 30 decibels. Also very important to go into the advanced and turn on the enable audio enhancements. And really what's missing on my microphone that I have from HP is this. It's this sound quality. I can't adjust this sampling rate because I think they're just crappy mics. I think that's all it's capable of. Now you've heard me talk for a minute. You know what this sounds like. Let's give you a fair comparison though. So I will say, Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Now let's see what happens when I plug in my new Linkdream DM19 mic. There we are. Now that instantly plug and play. That's what PNP stands for, in case you're not sure. Okay, so let's get back into this. You right click on your sound, go to sounds, and go to recording, and there's your microphone. Let's double click on it. And let's select levels. And 75 is where it's at right now. Let's leave it there for now. Advanced. Enable audio enhancements is on, but look at this. This is still terrible. 16-bit 48 kilohertz, which is 48,000 hertz. K means 1,000. DVD quality. Well, let's see if it sounds any better.
Okay, this is a test. Let's see how this sounds. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. All right, now let's just take a look what I had to do to get it to be this good, which is not great from what my testing. I set the microphone here to 100. I needed to set the volume, as it's called, to 100 on the mic itself, and I need to have the mic right in front of me. If it's any distance away, it's just not good. Okay, now I'm talking even closer, and I have that sock on it. Let's see what that sounds like. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. That's right, Peter Piper. He picked that peck of pickled peppers. He just picked the hell out of it. Okay, so I have this about 3 inches from my face. And I must say, it is not comfortable, not what I'm looking for, and I'm not going to keep this. I think it's fine if you don't have a mic, but if you've got a crappy mic built into your laptop or into your PC, just work with that. This is not an improvement. Hey, if you found this video useful and you learned something, please click the thumbs up. If you want to leave a comment, we'd love to hear it. And if we don't respond, somebody else usually will. And you can always get a hold of us at www.urtech.ca, www.urtech.ca. Thanks and have a great day. Bye bye.